Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to be behaving tomorrow and what are the key levels to look out for people who trade in Bank Nifty and Nifty options. So the first thing, like I mentioned yesterday, that if Nifty crosses below this particular swing low, that would be somewhere around 15,779, then you can go for a shot. But the kind of targets that we got here were somewhere around 50 points after that was broken. Now, if you go back and play my video, I did mention that once this particular level is broken, we can look for a downside. And most probably by the end of the day, it very well went ahead and achieved a downside of somewhere around 60 points at that particular direction. If you have made some awesome money here, then I would congratulate you. But for tomorrow, I would say that it is going to become a bit difficult. Okay, so the reason why it will become difficult is because there is still some space that is left over here. So tomorrow there is highly likely a possibility what Bank Nifty would do is that it would try to open up, take resistance here, come down and somehow create a price action here. Now there is a highly likely a possibility that it is going to move on the upside after the bounce, or there is highly likely a possibility that it can go downside from here. So let us go ahead and understand what are going to be our targets if it goes downside and what are going to be our targets if it goes on the upside. Now on an upside, it needs to go ahead and break its previous swing low. So there is a particular trend line that is coming in from the past 2 days. So until and unless price move above this trend line and takes out the previous swing, I want you to be very careful. So buy above 15,779 for a quick target of 15,845, and if it then consolidates and then breaks that level as well to 15,917 for the all-time high. Now if it takes out this level with a 15-minute closing, then what I want you to do is I want you to just stop trading for the day and ignore this level completely, because let me just be honest with you guys, there are going to be a lot of opportunities, but over here this can just be a trap. So a lot of people usually when there is a breakout, they go ahead and short and then get caught. So please don't do that. Tomorrow is Wednesday and the premiums will start melting very, very much. So don't look for any shorting opportunities. Only look for a buy. And if it stays between 15,779 and 15,693, then just stay away from the market. So this is something that you need to keep in mind for Nifty. And in terms of Bank Nifty, let us go ahead and understand. So Bank Nifty is also having a similar kind of a structure, but remember, Bank Nifty is not respecting trend lines anymore. Okay, that's what I have felt so far for the last couple of days, but somehow we were able to manage it with order flow. But however, there are some key important levels that you need to understand. So you know what is forming here, right? So this particular triangle is actually the kind of a pull that it's trying to do before it goes up. So over here, until and unless, okay, until and unless Bank Nifty is above 35,187, please don't go long. And until and unless it does not cross 34,907, please don't initiate a short. But if that breakout happens, then you can easily look for the previous swing at 34,661. So you'll be able to get a quick 250 points there at the bottom. And if it moves on the upside, then you're going to get these targets. And that would also be on a similar length of 222 points tomorrow. So tomorrow, most probably, they are trying to keep the entire index volatile. Like I did mention yesterday that it might be a trending market today, and it was a downtrending market, but the entire data was completely out of sync today. So hence over here in live trading we stopped, and we told that we will take our holiday today and see for a very crucial or a very good level tomorrow to trade for. So please be very careful during these levels between 35,187 and 34,907. Please do not initiate any trade. But however, when it breaks either side, you can place the stop loss on the previous swing low and then look for the targets. So that is all, folks. These are the levels for you for tomorrow, Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you're interested in live trading, please visit www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us. Or there is a link to the Telegram channel listed below. You can go there for regular updates. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Jai Hind. See you. Goodbye.